Hey guys, welcome to the makeover of the ugly camper part 2. If you're wondering what that was, I have a hiccup. So yeah, I'm gonna hiccup a little. So we're gonna start with some seats because a camper needs seats for driving and everything. Where are those? Oh, right there. I need 2 of those. And now I'm gonna... Oh, I'm driving. Oh, shoot. And now I'm gonna get 2 pillows. 2 pillows. I'm a little sick. Just a little. Oh, there. I love those blue because the theme is also blue. Sorry. Why isn't this working? Why? Why are you working? Oh my god. It's so annoying. Okay, now I did those. And now I'm gonna get some lights. I'm gonna get those, yeah. Because they're cool and cute. And yeah, let me just check. Oh, we're almost finished. Now I'm gonna get again a hanging plant, the same one as last time. And I'm gonna get 2 bicycles. Right, those. Yes. And now I'm gonna do like a dinner table. Where is this one that I want? Right there. I need this one, yeah. Now I need 2 seats. I'm gonna take the cute ones. Where is it? These 2. I'm gonna take 2 because yeah, I'm gonna take 2. And I want to try something. I want to try put a little fridge in front. But I don't think, no, that doesn't look good. No, I don't like it, but let me see. No, I don't like it. I'm gonna delete it. It's not good. There. Oh yeah, there's beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah. I'm gonna keep like that, yeah. And I'm gonna get 2 plants for on top. Right, those 2, yeah, beautiful. And yeah, it looks good. That's the end result of the camper makeover. And I really like it. It's beautiful, blue, and aesthetic.